All right, now looking at Bitcoin here, if you factor in my IchEMA model, what I think is a very realistic possibility is we either drop to 55.50, right? So that would be right around this support where it says Stoch test. See, that was a key support right over here. You can see that wick landed right there. See, that was perfect. It was just after I entered into my long that was right here. You can see that was a great surgical entry on the long. Same thing on Ethereum. Timed it very well. And what I had anticipated, which I explained to everybody in the group, was we're going to go up and test the bottom of the cloud up here in this little gap. So I specifically highlighted this area, and I said once we open up and the bottom of the cloud opens up into here, we're going to push up into that and test the bottom of the cloud. Sure enough, that's exactly what happened. Although we didn't get quite to the bottom of the cloud, we got close. Now we're coming back down with the cloud. Now I expect that to remain a major resistance. So if you look at the width of the cloud, either we push up to 6K if we break into the cloud over here. If we manage to break in right here, we could push right up to 6K. And if we don't break into the cloud, we're going to face heavy resistance from it and push down and retest that support of mine at 50.50. So either I'm going to enter down at 50.50, or if I see a full-on reversal on the Stoch, if you check out the hourly Stoch down here, if that crosses over, starts moving up, that gives me an indication that we've seen a reversal in momentum, and when that happens, we're going to start pushing up. If that happens before we get down and test the 50-50 support, I'll most likely enter, because I would anticipate it getting into the cloud and pushing up from there. So that's one of the things I'm watching. I'm going to look for that reversal in momentum based on the stochastic. In addition, I want to focus on the bottom of the cloud on the 55 EMA, because the 55 EMA has also been a particularly strong resistance over here. So keep an eye on that right here. It's coming down along with the cloud. We very well may push over into this area here, stay below the 55, break into the cloud, and break the 55 simultaneously. Then we're going to have no resistance until the 99. We could push up to the top of the cloud, no problem. The only stop we make along the way is going to be right here at 58.30. Besides that, we're wide open to 6K. Again, we have to break into the cloud, which is going to be a really strong resistance. But let's watch it and see what happens. Either way, we should have a really great short-term bounce coming up before a larger dump, which I expect to start really, really late tonight or early tomorrow.